Hi friends, a very good morning to all of you. I'm Jyoti Singh and today I'm going to speak with you. Why do we get ill? My dear friends, we see a lot many people nowadays get ill. In a short age even children nowadays they are suffering from diabetes, blood pressure and other things and many more my dear friends. Nowadays you will see maximum people are suffering from any kind of disease. Now my matter is there are a lot of people and there are a different kind of disease too, but why it happens, why do we get ill or why do we suffer from any kind of disease, right? My dear friends, as I'm a trainer, life coach, business coach and especially I'm a mind expert, okay, and from last 14 years I have spent my day and night one while working on mind, why how mind works, okay, and I have found in this thing while studying the mind theory and while going into depth of NLP. My dear friends, what happens, in form of disease, I'll say 95 to 97% diseases are psychosomatic. Yes, my dear friends. More than 95% diseases are psychosomatic. Okay, psychosomatic means what? We get these diseases or these diseases are created by certain emotions, okay, and feelings which comes from our body, or you can feel it which comes from your mind. Friends, so and in this condition maximum diseases are psychosomatic, okay, and body only needs any kind of medicine or I'll say any kind of treatment when there is any accident or bloodshed or something like that, my dear friends. So in that case definitely we need doctor, we need everything, okay, medical facility, all kind of medical facilities, and I want to say, but when we are suffering from depression, anxiety, OCD, thyroid, hyperthyroidism, blood pressure, sugar, diabetes. So my dear, all these diseases, all diseases, whatever comes in your mind, might be you will know more than that. Okay, arthritis, all these diseases are not a particular disease. All these diseases are collection of our emotions, okay, feelings which are not expressed, and those feelings and emotions are now has taken a form of disease from which people are suffering. Friends, listen one thing. Our body gets affected how? Means how do we feel we are ill or we are suffering from such kind of disease? Because we feel some internal disturbance in our body and our body tells us, hey, now I am not okay. My this part is not working well. Why it happens, my dear friends? Why a certain part of our body stop working? Okay, it may be pancreatic ulcer, it may be not it may be our body stops generating the insulin hormones, okay, and many more. So why it happens, now we need to know, my dear friends. Here I will say what happens. Listen, my dear friends, always in our life two things happens. What first thing is that events are happenings or any kind of happening. For example, right now you are watching this video, it's also a kind of event. What is it? This is a kind of event. Another and next thing, my dear friends, but what happens, this event as it is happening we will not accept it. Our mind stores, and whatever my dear friends, whatever events happen in our life our mind stores, okay, understand, and our mind stores these events in form its own perceived world, in its own perceived world means in its own way, or in with its own eyes, with its own perception, with its own world, okay, with its own glasses. For example, event 1 has happened. Now in event 2 what happens? In event 2 three things comes: deletion, distortion and generalization. Deletion means what, my dear friends? Deletion means we delete certain things from that event. Distort means we bring our own opinion into that, okay, we delete many things, we distort many things from the real event. And generalization, we generalize that event, we generalize in our own way that event. For example, if your husband said something to you, okay, then you will say, he always scolds me, he always scolds me. Might be that time I have done something which is not appropriate for him, that's why he is recommending me, hey, please don't do this. Okay, but what I'll say, this guy always nags me, this guy always scolds me, this guy never understands me. All husbands are saying, all males are saying, all men are saying such statements. What is this? This is generalization, my dear friends. Okay, so we store the events in form of first we know what happens. One event happens in our life. For example, there is an event number 1 which has happened. Okay, but we will store event number 1 not as it is, we will store event number 2, and event number 2 will be based on deletion, distortion and generalization. My dear friends, what happens into this? Remember one thing, and after this, when we delete, distort and generalize, then what do? Then we, in our mind, we create a mood. What do? We create a mood, we create a state. Okay, and that mood depends on the our perceived event number 2. That mood depends on our perceived event. Okay, so if perceived event is good, then our mood will be good. But if perceived event is negative or bad, then our mood will be negative or bad. And my dear friends, this will become the biggest challenge for all of us. Why? You'll ask me why. Because my dear friends, in this event, as we are considering it, the reality is not that. Okay, another thing, it is based on deletion, distortion and generalization. Okay, but we install this event for a long time, and my dear friends, what happens? Our subconscious stores memories in this part, okay, in event 2. And if the memory is negative, if the memory is unresourceful, then it will create a lot of problems, hurdles in our life. And my dear friends, what that problem hurdles will be means that problems will, for example, what happens exactly when our mood is not good, then we create unresourceful state. And that unresourceful state, what it will do? Unresourceful state will kill all the options, all the solutions from in front of your eyes which you can get. Okay, it will only show you the dark place, or it will only show you the problems, it will only focus onto the problems. And my dear friends, remember, whatever you focus, it gets zoomed in. Whatever you focus, it gets zoomed in. So if you are focusing onto the problem, that problem will get zoomed in. And when that problem will get zoomed in, then what will happen, my dear friends? You will take action. And what action you will take? You will now take negative action. Okay, and this negative action will bring the negative result, negative outcome for your life. Okay, my dear friends, so what this happening is saying, this happening are all together showing whatever diseases we have, all these diseases are the result of our thought pattern. Okay, and my dear friends, there is a common phenomena in all human beings. Our mind is trained to think negatively, I'll say, my dear friends, because from childhood we have been taught what not to do. We are never taught what to do. Okay, in most of the cases we know what not to do, but we don't know what to do, and this happens with life too. Okay, so what happens, we are not clear what we have to do, what we have not to do, and we are focusing onto the wrong things, my dear friend. So as we understand here, our diseases, all type of diseases are the result of our mood. Okay, our state, and this mood and state Okay, when it is unresourceful state, then unresourceful state, what will, my dear friends, it will release cortisol and adrenaline hormones. Okay, and these are the very much dangerous hormones, it should not get released. Okay, and when these hormones will release, then our body enters into fight and flight mode. Okay, it gets feared from inside. Our 80 billion cells and 60 trillion neurons get disturbed from inside, and they feel very much, my dear friends, they feel fearful, and that's why they stops functioning in proper way. And when they stop functioning in proper way, for example, if our liver is not working, or if our heart is not working, or if, just imagine, my dear friend, if you see a snake, what happens? Your eyes are same, you are same, but your heart beat, and what experience you feel when you see snake. In the same way, when you get fearful from inside, so that happenings creates a lot of disturbance at internal level. And when your body get disturbed, then it stops functioning in its own natural way. And when it stops functioning in natural way, then it starts creating the release, then it starts releasing the cortisol and adrenaline. And after releasing all these hormones, my dear friends, we get victim of all type of diseases: diabetes, cancer, hypothyroidism, and thyroid, blood pressure, sugar, BP, high blood pressure, low blood pressure, obesity. My dear friends, all these diseases are psychosomatic, and what I'll recommend you, read a book. You can heal your life. My dear friends, Louise L. Hay, she has worked a lot onto this. Another thing, my dear friends, you subscribe my channel, okay? And I will, just today I have discussed why do we get ill, but I will discuss again in one of my video what is the state. Okay, as I told you, here we have created unresourceful state, that's why we are suffering from such diseases. But in that video we will understand only about state and what types of states are there, and how can, as we are creating the bad state, or you can say the disease state for us, in the same way how can we create the better state, the resourceful state, the state of success for ourselves. Okay, and how state matters for all of us a lot. Okay, so my dear friends, what is the lesson here? The moral here is one thing: always be in peak state, always be in positive state. Okay, always be in positive mood. Okay, and if anyway you're not in positive mood, then try to find out from what you get feel good. Okay, because when you will feel good, when you will feel worthy, when you will be feel self-esteem from inside, then you will release good hormones. And when you will release good hormones, then you will be in the right mood. Okay, and my dear friends, you will be healthy, wealthy and rich. So my last suggestions to all of you: if you like my video, then share with your friends. Okay, and my dear friends, please give your comments. I love your comments, I will read your comments, and most probably I will reply you too. Okay, so subscribe my channel and give your comments. And you can comment me one more thing, my dear friends: what topic you want I should speak, on what topic I should create my next video. Okay, just put into the chat box. Okay, a comment box. I will definitely make the another video on your topic for what you are searching for. Bye bye, take care. We will see in next video very soon. Till that time, be in a positive state which brings all happiness in your life, right? Bye.